Always an adventure when I'm hunting with this guy. Last time we got a flat tire. This time we overheated. There's a little hole right here, but
that's what she said.
Hopefully this old Billy Mays product's gonna help us out.
What does that dude say, really? Torch it.
I think it's gonna do it. I think it's gonna be all you need. Stick it on there good?
Yeah. It's flexing.
Now let's just cut the boat in half and put it together with Flex Seal. That's what we're hunting today. Big old 1860 Polar Craft with a 60 horse motor on it. Should be good. Said we had some serious wind the other day. It was like blowing at 40 at some points.
Oh, there were 7 18-wheelers that were blown over on I-40 near Wheaton.
Really?
Yep.
Well, we didn't get skunked with a beauty of a gadwall. It's absolutely gorgeous bird. We're on the board, first of many. You just can't even tell on video.
Somebody must have, or something must have gotten them up. Isn't that the levee right there?
So here's what our spread looks like. We got teal trying to get in here right now. Got the first green head of the trip down. I love that view. And here's our spread. There we go. Mr. Greenhead. We just got set up again and finally got all the camo back on our blind, and boom, there's another one in the hole. So here's number 2 Greenhead. Oh yeah. Beauty. No bands. Dude, look at the size of this hamburger. I don't think you can tell. It's bigger than my hand. Mr. John Walker, take a look at this comically large hamburger. Cheese, bacon, fried egg, ketchup, mustard. Spicy fries. Those are hot. Whew. Well, that was a fantastic couple of days with my old buddy Johnny Walker, and if you like this new adventure and maybe want to see more like it, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and follow up with me for the rest of the season. Probably got, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 more hunts left this year, and hopefully we're going to get on them. Thanks for watching DIY Outdoorsman.